Oh, this is Unit 4, Formative 1, Day 6. This is our last video for this formative. It's dividing exponents, Day 2. Okay, on this one, we're going to have some division, multiplication, and power to a power. Always get rid of your outside exponent first. Okay? I know there's multiplication, there's division within here, but always get rid of your outside exponent first. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Remember, it's like distributing, so everything gets to the 6th power. So we have a to the negative 1, negative 6, b to the 3rd to the 6th is b to the 18th, and remember c is still there, so c1 to the 6th is c to the 6th. Right, now the denominator, a to the 2nd to the 6th is a to the 12th, and then b to the 4th to the 6th is b to the 24th. Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of my negative exponents. So a to the 6th, it's going to go down here because it's negative. B to the 18th is staying, C to the 6th is staying because it's positive, A to the 12th is staying in the denominator, and B to the 24th is staying. Alright, now we're going to multiply or divide, depending on what's going on. Alright, let's look at the A's. We have A to the 6th times A to the 12th, which we're going to add, so that's A to the 18th. Okay, our B's, we have B to the 18th over b to the 24th. So 24 is larger, so I'm going to take 24 minus 18 and I get 6. And 24 is larger, so my 6 b's are going to go in the denominator. And then c to the 6th is left in the numerator. And that's your answer. Okay. Alright, next one. Same thing, we have outside exponents, so I'm going to get rid of that first. Remember, if it doesn't have an exponent, it's a 1. So we have 3 to the negative 2. And then we have x to the negative 4th. And then we have y to the 6th, and down here, so we have 2 to the negative 2nd, x to the 16th, and y to the negative 10th. Alright, let's get rid of our negative exponents. 3 to the negative 2nd is going to go down, x to the negative 4th is going to move down, y to the 6th stays, 2 to the negative 2nd gets moved up and becomes positive, x to the 16th stays, and y to the negative 10th gets moved up, becomes positive. Alright, now 2 squared is 4, and then I have my y's here. So y to the 6th times y to the 10th, which is y to the 16th. 3 squared is 9, and then I have x to the 4th times x to the 16th, which is x to the 20th. And that's your answer. 2 more. Again, outside exponents. This outside exponent is a 0, so I know this whole thing is a 1. Okay. So now I have no outside exponents. I have 6 over 5, which cannot be simplified, so it's going to stay 6 over 5. Now I have x's in the numerator and denominator, so I'm going to take x to the 9th minus x to the 2nd. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7, and those x to the 7th is going to go in the denominator because 9 is larger than 2. And that's my answer. Next one, outside exponent. So the 2m to the 5th, nothing happens to that right now. So I have 3 to the 1st to the negative 2nd, which is negative 2, and then m to the negative 2. Right, now let's get rid of our negative exponents. The 2 stays, m to the 5th stays, 3 to the negative 2nd gets moved up, becomes positive, and m to the 2nd gets moved up. So there's nothing under there. So 3 to the 2nd here is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So we have 18. And then it's m to the 5th times m to the 2nd, which is addition, so it's m to the 7th. Last one. Alright, look for outside exponents, and the 3 down here is my outside exponent, so I'm not going to do anything with this. Alright, and then I have y to the negative 2nd to the 3rd, which is y to the negative 6. Now let's get rid of our negative exponents. So I have 4 stays, my x to the 2nd gets moved down and becomes positive, y to the 4th is staying, my 8 is staying, x to the 3rd is staying, y to the negative 6 gets moved up and becomes positive. Okay. Now 4 over 8 is 1/2. Now I have my y's. y to the 4th times y to the 6th, so we're going to add because it's multiplication. And then x to the 2nd times x to the 3rd is x to the 5th. And there's your answer. Alright, you guys might need to watch this again. Good luck, and I'll see you in class.